everyone, it's Raquel of Raquel's Carbon Cuisine, and today's recipe is going to be festivals, Jamaican festivals, and this is similar to a fried dumpling or bake or even a Johnny cake, but with way more flavor. Really delicious. So for these delicious festivals, which is also known as corn, use the cornmeal being one of the ingredients. I'm going to add 4 cups of flour to a bowl, and you could cut the ingredients in half or less. Now in with half a cup of cornmeal, half a cup of sugar, and this right here is my secret to the most delicious festivals. 2 tablespoons vanilla lasco. Yes, then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, a sprinkle of cinnamon powder. Yes, just a sprinkle. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon vanilla essence along with a cup of water to a cup, and I'm going to use this to knead the dough, incorporating all the ingredients first, and I'm going to knead this just until the flour comes together, which may take about 3 minutes, and try not to over knead. We're not making a bread. The less you knead, the lighter the festivals would be. Yes, and I'm going to knead this, creating a sticky dough ball. Then I'm going to cover this down, and I'm going to allow this to sit and rest for about 30 minutes. So about 30 minutes later, the dough is nice and relaxed, quite a bit sticky. I'm just going to dust some flour on, and I'm going to create some festivals, rolling pieces between the palm of my hands. Then I'm going to create it into oblong shape. Then I'm going to slightly flatten, which is going to puff up and frying. And these are the Elsha style festivals, a famous Jamaican beachside, and it's light, it's airy, it's so flavorful. And as simple as these are looking, when you start to eat them, you just can't stop. They're really, really tasty. Now to my frying pot, I'm going to add some cooking oil, enough so the festivals could float around. And as soon as it's heat up a little bit, then in with the festival dough, and make sure the oil is not too hot. You really don't want them to start burning before they get a chance to fry. Then they're just going to see they start floating around, and I'm going to give these just about 3 minutes on each side, or until both sides are nice and golden. And when they're done, I'm just going to remove them to a paper towel to drain any excess oil. These are looking good, beautiful color, and they are smelling really, really nice. Then I'm just going to continue with the second batch. And there you have it, Jamaican festivals. And what's best to go with this than some escovitch fish. And these were light, not oily, just perfect. So flavorful. And this is the best you will get outside of Jamaica. Guaranteed. A full ingredient amount will be listed down below in the description box. And I just want to thank you so very much for watching.